Hello and welcome back to Developer's Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about the custom authentication. Today, we shall learn about the authorization. So, after successful login into your application, the next question is what is the user allowed to do with your application? The user get access to a page or a page component. Authorization covers this aspect of implementing security in an Oracle Apex application. Or we can say that authorization refers to restricting access to a specific page and component based on user privileges. In the last tutorial, we have used a table app user. Now we had a column in it with the name role and enter admin and user role. So let's run the application in the app builder. So you can see we are currently logged in with user. So what is the scenario? We want the employees forms are only visible to the admin. So we shall go to the application and the shared component and then authorization scheme. Then create a new authorization scheme from scratch. Name it is admin and then we shall select function return boolean. Now we shall provide a function here, or you can say declarative function. Here we are declaring a number count and then from the app user, this is the table that storing the information, then username and the app user. If the role is admin, then the count will return true. Validate. So it is working perfectly. We shall create authorization. So this is our is admin authorization. Now what we want to do, we want to show these three forms only to admin. So we shall go to the share component under the navigation menu under this menu we have dynamic pages here. So we shall first of all change the navigation menu as per the standard that was created by default. Navigation menu, apply changes. Now go to the shared component and under the menu, then select the navigation menu. Here we have employees. So click edit button and go to the authorization section. Here we shall choose our authorization that we have created right now. Click apply change. Now go to the second one. And similarly, choose the authorization is admin. Now apply changes. And refresh. So you can see that the employees forms are not showing in the navigation menu. Let's log in with another user that have admin rights, or you can say admin role. Now you can see that the employee forms are also visible. So thus you can create authorization and use in different page component as well, uh, same as navigation menu. You can use them here in the objects, or you can say page components. I hope you have learned something useful at Developers Diary. See you in the next tutorial.